Okay, welcome to a new session. Today we are learning how to make organization chart very quickly in Excel. And normally people are making it in a Word in some other softwares or some other places, but that is very difficult to handle later in if you need it quickly to change and bring it on the table. So it's very difficult over there. Here in Excel, it's very easy, and I'll be teaching you how to make it, and then keep it in Excel, and whenever it's required changes, you can do changes in quickly, you can print it. So okay, we will start. We'll go to the home page, and then you can go to the insert, and then in insert you can go to the smart art. Okay, and in smart art you can go to the hierarchy, and then in hierarchy you can click anyone, whatever style you like it, so you can click and then it will come up. Okay, so once it's come up like in this shape, so you can make it a bit bigger, like to understand it. Okay, so normally the company organization charts doesn't look like this. So this center one, you can this is how you will understand also to remove any tab, so you remove it. Okay, here people have like companies have like chairman, and slash CEO. Okay, and whatever is the head of the organization. Okay, so you can put him, and then here you can put like the uh, if in case you want to put somebody in between, so you can put it like here, CFO. So normally CFO is having a different line, then you can put it like general manager operation. Then you can put it like general manager production. Then you can put parallelly somebody like sorry, control C, it took the ION of the other. Okay, and you can put the general manager sales and marketing. Okay, sales and marketing. So all this, and the general manager operation went down the CFO, which should not be. So what we can do, sorry, here we can go and we can promote him. So once you promote, he went up there. Then now here under the CFO you can put the uh, director of finance. Okay, so director of finance, we got it, and then we will simply demote him. So once you demote him, it will come under the sorry, the spelling mistyped. Okay, so director of finance. So like this, you can make your organization chart very quickly. It took like me 1 minute to make it, and then you can add a lot of tabs. You can change the designs. You can change all these things. You can add the shapes also, like wherever you want to add the shape, so you can add it. And if in case see I add a shape to the CFO, so in this line now you can put to the CFO, and then further if you want, like here I will put the this one should be this one I should demote. I will demote from now this got promoted, so demote and then demote. Okay, so it went under the director of finance. I'll suppose put a finance manager. Okay, and then under the finance, so like that you can add a lot of tabs down there, like the you can make the structure, you can make over here also. So whenever you are making it, it will go under this. So whenever you are making under the general manager, like suppose we'll make one under the general manager, like you can say operation in charge. Okay, so operation in charge, it's actually it came under this under over here. So if you will demote him, he will straight away go to the go down there the general manager. So these are the steps you need to follow, and by this way you can make the organization chart. So this is a quick way to teach to how to make the organization chart. Thank you very much.